Hi, I suggest a small video in order to understand how we could make a median on data. I'm using median on my VLF recording because this reduce spike problems, but it's I think better than mean because mean is not so good for a rapid event. When you are using median, some quick change are still available and are not destroyed by the mean calculation. But if you get some noisy or spike, this will be disappear. And there is two cases. One case is, for example, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. On the other case, you have only 4 values. These two cases is in one side. It's in the second case it's even. On the first is odd. It depending how many value you have. And the calculation is a little bit different. For example, if you have your data recorded are, for example, 3, 6, 2, 4, 5, then what you have to do, firstly, you have to organize your data, sort in ascending order. Then you look in your data, depending how many data in the median you want to use. For example, here we've decided for the example to use 5 data. Here it's 4. But usually for VLF measurement, I take around 10 to 40 values. This is depending of the sampling rate, how many data per second you are recording. If you let's say for example I'm doing median for minimum 10 seconds of data, and usually I use 20 or 40 seconds, but you can increase to 1 minute if you want, and do the calculation for each minutes. And firstly, you organize data by sort in ascending order. It means the 2 is the minimum, then you put in first, 3 is second, 4 in a free position, and 5, 5, 6, 6, etc. Then now they are ascending order, they are sort by ascending order, and you take the middle point. Value is 4. And you do this for each value. Then when you calculate this value, you take this value to this value, on next one will be this one, etc. But the problem is now if you have 4 values. 4 values, you do the same, you organize your data. 2 is the minimum, you place in first, 3, second, 4, and 6. But now you didn't get the middle. Then you have to do 3 plus 4 divide by 2. Then you calculate the mean. This is how the median is working. And for example, in Excel, you have a formula. It's a median. Okay. On median, you select for the data in the middle, you select if you want a median of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values, you select the 5 value, and this will calculate automatically the median. And the median is, of course, it's 4. Now we do the same here. Okay, we do equal median for these values, and you do enter, and you get 3.5. It means it's 4 plus 3 divided by 2. If I take an example now with an example of data. Okay, I'm sorry because I didn't select the right range, but here is the VLF data, for example, and you have the raw data coming from your recording, and they are, let's say, they are plot here in the upper side. And what you see, you have some artifacts, some noise, and so you want to reduce this without doing a mean. Then you can, as you see in the first formula here, I have calculate a median of all this data, and this is a median for I think 40 data. Is going from the first data, the value will be calculated, where is it, in the middle. The middle is just here, okay, and you select all the range. It means if you have 40 data, it means you take 40 values. On here you have, let's say, 20 values, including this one, from the beginning to here, on 20 values below. And when you have done this, you can drop the formula down to the end of the column. Okay,